With summer right around the corner, the weather will become more and more warm. And so what better way to cool off during those summer months than to make some cool and delicious ice cream right at home. Not only that, but this recipe is quick and easy to make with just the following materials.
You will need 2 resealable plastic bags, one being a gallon bag and the other being a quart bag. It is important to make sure that these bags have an airtight seal, which can be found in name brand plastic bags like Ziploc that I have here. As for ingredients, you will need 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of salt, and 3 cups of ice.
First, take your smaller plastic bag and add a cup of half and half into it. Then, add 2 tablespoons of the granulated sugar into the bag. Lastly, put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the bag. And let out the air from the bag. Then seal it and put it off to the side. Then open the gallon bag and fill it up with at least 3 cups of ice. Then measure out about 1/3 of a cup of salt and add it into the bag. Now shake up the bag a bit to get all the salt distributed throughout the ice. Now put the small bag into the large gallon bag and make sure to once again let out the air. Then reseal the gallon bag. And for this next step, it may be beneficial to get some gloves as it is going to get chilly. Shake up the bag and churn the smaller bag inside in order to get all the ingredients to mix in the bag. Do this for about 2 minutes and then start shaking the entire bag for 8 minutes. So, why do we add that salt to ice? Well, it lowers the freezing point of ice so that the ice that normally freezes at 0 degrees Celsius now needs a lower temperature to remain solid. However, since we're shaking the bag around, the temperature will only go up. In order for the ice to melt, it takes in energy from the surroundings, which in this case is the ice cream, causing the ice to melt into water and the ice cream to freeze. After all the shaking is done, remove the smaller bag from the ice and dry it off with a paper towel to remove all that salt water. This is so that the salt water does not seep into the ice cream when opening the bag. All that's left now is to eat your frozen treat. Enjoy!